Well, Commvault reporting earnings today, beating on the top and bottom lines. And here to break down the report is Commvault CEO Sanjay Mirchandani. Sanjay, it is good to see you. So you report results. Your stock finished up nearly 2% in today's trade. Of course, your stock is also up about 70% over the past 12 months, Sanjay. But walk us through the report, the results, what you're seeing in the business.
Good to see you, Josh. Thanks for having me back. It was a good quarter, Q4 for us, and we beat across all key metrics. You've got some of them up on screen, and it topped off a really good year for us. You know, what we do at Commvault is help customers be more resilient, with their data, with their applications, with their business. And there are different vectors that we protect them against and make them resilient with, cyber being one of them. And we're seeing good secular sort of tailwinds in the cyber resilience space. What used to be sort of an IT hallway conversation has moved into the C-suite, and we're talking to a lot of CEOs and executives and boards about what it means to be resilient. Our technology with our Commvault Cloud Platform is leading in the space. We make it really straightforward and give customers a good platform to work with. Combine that with something that we hold ourselves accountable for, which is great execution between our teams and our ecosystem. I think that sums up the results that we're seeing.
Sanjay, in this environment right now, it's uneasy. There's uncertainty. There are CEOs and CFOs, Sanjay, who just say, "Listen, I'm going to not be able to give you guidance. I can't give you a forecast right now." You didn't do that. You gave guidance. You gave a forecast. What gave you the confidence to do that?
Well, fundamentally, what we do for customers really matters. I mean, there's no slowdown in cyber attacks, in the need for customers to be protected. It doesn't matter if you're a large enterprise or a small school. I mean, this is pervasive. So we're staying close to our customers. We're staying close to our partners, understanding the pipeline, understanding the fact that this is important to them, what we provide. And so, having validated the best we can, given the circumstances, we felt that what we put out was a fair guide.
So given the backdrop that we find ourselves in with that uncertainty, Sanjay, I'm just curious, did you see signs of that in the quarter, in your customers? Or were they any more hesitant, Sanjay, than they may have been 6 months ago or 12 months ago?
Honestly, Josh, no. But again, we know what we know today. We had a great Q4. We brought in, we sort of broke our own internal records of deal sizes, whether they be small, medium, or large, what we consider large business. We landed new customers. Both our SaaS platform and our on-premise capabilities grew. So we didn't see any change. We're obviously, like you, we're looking, we're talking to customers, we're trying to stay close to the pipeline, make sure it's good. And at this point, we feel like customers understand what they're getting into with the need for resilience, and hopefully it stays good.
So no signs, how this uncertainty has impacted your customers. I'm curious though, Sanjay, has it impacted how you want to run the company? Has it impacted investing, spending, headcount decisions?
We actually, look at the opportunity in front of us, and it's a good time for us. So we're not changing course. We're also not directly affected by any conversations about tariffs, for example, because we're a software company or SaaS. And so we built a plan. We think that the demand is there. We think that we're executing well, and our platform delivers what it's supposed to. So we're actually, we've got a business plan that we haven't really modified substantially one way or the other in the past, say, 2-3 months.
And Sanjay, we have any number of smart economists who come on the show. And some of them have said, Sanjay, they do see the risks of a recession in the U.S. rising. If the U.S. economy did suffer a contraction, that would mean what for Commvault?
I mean, I'm gonna go on the single fundamental assumption that what we do is really important to customers. Being down with a cyber attack, not being able to conduct business, probably costs more than getting involved with us and getting our technology in a timely way. Your guess is as good as mine. I am not an economist, and I would just say to you that we stay close to our customers and we stay close to our partners that are working together with us, and hopefully we don't see that.
Finally, Sanjay, I know you bought a few companies since becoming CEO of Commvault. Are you on the hunt for more?
We have a very good R&D engine of our own. As a company, we've been in business for 28 years and have built most of our technology, but we have acquired a few companies. And in the last year, we bought a company that really revolutionizes how you protect cloud-native applications, and another one that does massive scale data resets, data recovery on Amazon AWS S3 capabilities. These have enhanced our ability to deliver value to our customers and resilience. It's also increased our total addressable market in a very natural way. So anything we look at would be something that enhances our platform naturally and very quickly can be accretive to our customers and us.
Sanjay, great to see you. Great to have you on the show. Thank you for joining us, sir.